Internet of Things is a giant network of connected physical objects that collect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the internet. IoT is an advanced technology that makes our lives simpler and happier. This powerful technology has endless applications and allows us to make many amazing projects to control any electronic devices at home or even in industries. If you are looking for IoT project ideas to work on, then here is the list of most exciting IoT projects for beginners and experts. These innovative IoT projects will help you gain hands-on experience to become industry-ready and advance in your career. Top IoT projects for beginners and experts. First, home automation system. It is a great IoT project for automating modern homes through the internet. This home automation system based on IoT automates the functioning of household appliances over the internet. It enables users to connect all household appliances and objects over the IoT and control them using a smartphone from any location in the world. This IoT-based home automation system uses an AVR family microcontroller, a Wi-Fi connection, and an LCD screen to display system status. The microcontroller is interfaced with a Wi-Fi modem. The microcontroller receives user commands over the internet, processes them to operate these laws accordingly, and displays the system status on an LCD screen. Second, weather reporting system based on Raspberry Pi. This IoT project provides real-time weather reporting by monitoring and updating weather conditions over the internet. This weather reporting system monitors three parameters: temperature, humidity, and rainfall. Backed by Raspberry Pi, this system has a raindrop sensor, a temperature sensor, an LCD screen, and a buzzer. When the system is turned on, it sends data to the web server using Wi-Fi. These values will be updated live on the online server system. This system can help in knowing the weather of the localized area. You can directly check the weather stats online. You can also set threshold values and alerts for particular instances and get notified every time the weather parameters cross that value. Third, car parking management system. In urban areas, car parking is one of the major issues today. There is a need for an efficient car parking management system that can help solve the parking problem crisis. IoT can help design such a system. IoT-based car parking management systems help in efficient parking space utilization. It uses IR sensors, DC motors, a Wi-Fi modem for internet connectivity, and an AVR microcontroller for operating the system. The IR sensors sense parking slot occupancy, and DC motors simulate gate opener motors. The system checks the number of available parking slots and updates data on the cloud server. The system allows you to see free space online from anywhere so that you can drive straight to it. Fourth, based smart agriculture system. This is an excellent IoT project for beginners. The smart agriculture system allows you to monitor soil moisture, humidity, and water level, automatically irrigate a piece of land, and wirelessly spray fertilizers or pesticides using your smartphone. Backed by Arduino, this system consists of wireless sensor networks that collect data from different sensors at various nodes and send it through the wireless protocol. It also has a temperature sensor, moisture sensor, water level sensor, DC motor, and GPRS module to provide information about agriculture fields. It displays all information on an LCD screen and notifies users through SMS alerts on smartphones. This IoT-based system performs the routine agricultural tasks automatically and allows farmers to focus on more labor-intensive tasks. Fifth, health monitoring system. IoT technology can also be used in the healthcare field to save many lives. IoT-based health monitoring system is a great IoT project that can help patients to monitor their own health. This system allows users to keep track of their body vitals like blood pressure, sugar level, and heartbeat, and remotely send the data to healthcare professionals. Based on their health condition, patients can get immediately guidance from healthcare professionals. This system consists of several sensors, a microcontroller, a Wi-Fi connection, and an LCD screen. If the system detects any abrupt changes in a patient's vitals, it automatically alerts the user healthcare professional about the patient's status over the internet. Sixth, air and noise pollution monitoring system. Environmental noise and air pollution levels are rising in urban areas and need to be controlled immediately. An IoT-powered air and noise pollution monitoring system can monitor the level of both air and sound pollution. This data can be saved on web servers for further use. The system consists of air sensors that sense the presence of harmful gases and compounds in the air. It also monitors sound levels and reports them to the online server. The sensors interact with the microcontroller that transmits this data over the internet. The data can be used by authorities so that they can take measures to control the pollution. Seventh, smart street light monitoring system. One of the major challenges related to street lights is that they are left on even during daylight hours or when there is no one on the street. An IoT-powered street light monitoring system can help us handle this challenge. Besides, the system will also ensure consumption monitoring, low power consumption, and instant faulty light detection. The smart street light monitoring system consists of LDR sensors to monitor the movement of people or vehicles on the street. If sensors detect any movement, they will signal the microcontroller, which will turn on the street light. It can also monitor the estimated power consumption and detect any fault in the lights and send the data over to the IoT monitoring system to fix it. Eighth, night patrol robot. Patrolling during the night is an exceptionally challenging task in many areas around the world. An IoT-based night patrolling robot can help secure any premises. The robotic vehicle moves at particular intervals and consists of a night vision camera and sound sensors. It uses a predefined line to follow its path while patrolling. The robot can perform a 360-degree scan of a predefined path. It detects human faces and movements. It will capture the intruder's image and sends them to the user with other sounds. The camera of the patrol robot can capture an intruder's image and send the data to user. This night patrolling robot is capable of operating tirelessly and patrolling large areas on its own to prevent crimes.